Hello, hi, namaskar. I am Rishabh Chatterjee. In this video, we will be taking a look at some of the hatchbacks in the used car market in Bengaluru. So if you find the video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video and also subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. So first we have a red color Maruti Suzuki Swift here. So let's take a look at the details. So it's a 2005 model Swift VXI, one owner, has done 87,000 kilometers, asking price is 2.75, and I'll give you a quick tour of the exteriors of the car. So this is the VXI model, mid variant in Swift. Left profile, Maruti Suzuki Alto, entry level car, it's red color. Front profile, right side profile, and pricing wise can see it's a 2005 model LXI, so base model, two owners, it has done 78,000 kilometers, asking price is 1.65, which is negotiable. So back side profile of the car, you can see LXI. I'll also give you a glimpse of the interiors. So it comes with power windows, you can see, so that has been added. Interiors, quick glimpse of the interiors. Alto, maroon color, 2010 model this one is, comes with black bumpers. Information 2011 model Alto LXI, 3 owners already, has done 89,000 kilometers and asking price is 2.10. A quick look at the interiors. So this is the interiors, and side profile and back profile. So side profile, and this is the back profile of the car, and left side. So that was the Alto. So here we have the Tata Nano, blue color. You can see this one comes with fog lamps in the front. Let's take a look at the details. So 2015 model Nano XT Twist, this one is. Number of owners 1, has done 35,000 kilometers, asking price is 2,15,000. A quick look, side look. You can see also there's this rain visor that has been added on this. Next is the Alto K10, white color. So this one also comes with fog lamps, you can see fog lamps are there in this. So let's take a look at which variant. This is a VXI variant, 2011 model. So side profile of the car, that one was the Nano, this one is the Alto K10 2011 VXI, has done 60,000 kilometers, asking price is 2.65, negotiable. So you can contact the number if you are interested in this car. Taking a look at the back profile, so that was the Nano that I showed you, back profile of the Nano, and this is the back profile of the Alto K10 VXI. We have two i10s here. This is the first generation i10. This one is not the latest one, but previous that this one was the grand i10 only, I think. Let me just check. No, this is not the grand i10, this is only i10 1.2 liter 2015-16 model petrol Asta automatic variant. This is one owner, has done 31,000 kilometers, asking price is 5.75 lakhs. A quick look. So that one is the older generation one. Again, for pricing details you can contact the number. So Nissan Micra, orange color. So for details about this, or details are here. Okay, so we'll take a look at the details. So 2011 model Nissan Micra petrol, number of owners 3, and the asking price is 2.60. Kilometers are not known exactly, but I'll just show you the car. Hyundai i20, the first generation i20 this one is. So you can see it comes with fog lamps. Side we also have alloy wheels on this. We can see rain visors have been added, extra accessory. This is a petrol model 2009 i20 Asta. 2 owners, has done 64,000 kilometers. Asking price is 3.70. So let me give you a quick look at the exteriors of the car. So back profile, it comes with ABS. Left side profile. So that was a quick look at the i20. Next we'll move on to the Santro that we have here. So if you want to take a look at the Ertiga or this one, then you can see the SUV MUV video. On this hatchback video we'll take a look at only the hatchbacks. So this is the black color ERLX Santro XO variant. Alloy wheels have been added as an extra aftermarket accessory, you can see. Let's take a look at the front profile of the car. So front profile, slight scratches here and there on the bumper. It's a 2006 model Santro XO, 1 owner, has done, we don't know the kilometers exactly, but it's 1.95 lakhs. Santro. So Hyundai i20, here we have the petrol. This is white color. Comes with fog lamps in the front. This is the previous generation i20, not the current generation, but Elite i20. This one is also 2017-18 model only. So taking a look, this one is the sports variant, 1 owner, has done 15,000 kilometers. Asking price is 6.60 lakhs. Does not come with alloy wheels on this. So back profile. So I showed you that i20, that one also was sports. This one is also the sports. Next, taking a look at this Volkswagen Polo. So silver color Polo. So 2014 model diesel, comfort line, 1 owner, has done 42,000 kilometers. Asking price is 4.95. Taking a look at the back profile, Polo TDI, so diesel. Coming to that side, let us take a look at the left side also. So left side profile of the car. So we have the Swift here, 2013 model. This is the diesel, white color, VDI. So it has 2 owners, has done 83,000 kilometers. Asking price is 4.60 lakhs. So VDI doesn't come with alloy wheels, it only comes with steel wheels, as you can see. Back profile. Let me show you the other side profile too. A quick look at the exteriors only I'm showing, not going. Let me see if this car is open, then I'll just show you the interiors. Okay, it's open. So let me show you the interiors. This does not come with any integrated music system, so aftermarket singled in, all black interiors. So a quick look at the interiors. So we have Honda Jazz here. This is the first generation red color Honda Jazz. Comes with alloy wheels. You can see the alloy wheels here. What's the pricing like? So it's a 2010-11 model, 2 owners, has done 61,000 kilometers. Asking price is 3.65 lakhs. And if I show you the car, here is the car. Right side profile, back profile. So this is one of the Jazz. There is one more Jazz that I'll show you. That is the next generation one. This one was the first generation. This one is the next generation. Jazz, again petrol. This is the VX variant. This is brownish color, chocolate brown color. We also have a spoiler, as you can see on this. Alloy wheels. Honda Jazz. So we have one Santro here, bluish. It's actually silver. This one is silver Santro. I'll just give you a quick glimpse of this. Next, moving on to Swift. This is the latest generation Swift 2018 Swift VXI, one owner, has done 13,000 kilometers. Asking price is 6.70 lakhs. So this one is VXI, so mid variant. Next, taking a look at Zen. So this one is classic Zen, light blue color. It's open. Okay, so let me just show you the interiors too. So you can see that's the Zen. Pretty old car, but still, if maintained properly, will run easily. Maintenance free. So 2003 model LXI, one owner, has done 73,000 kilometers. Asking price is 1.55 lakhs. This is the front profile. So all prices are negotiable. You can contact the number for more details. So you can see there's this new booth that has been made. So for every customer who buys a vehicle from here, they'll get a 3M polishing free. So you can see this is how the complete polishing is done. So currently for this Chevrolet, this polishing is happening. So thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit on that like button. Share this video, also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. If you have any queries, you can message me on Instagram. My Instagram profile is @rcmediahouse. You can see the text here on the screen. And that's it for today. For now, this is Rishabh signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.